Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, and if you're a complete beginner wondering how to get started, you're in the right place. Whether you've been curious about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital assets, we've got your back. In this video, we'll take you through the entire process of buying crypto step by step, making it super simple and easy to understand. But before we jump into the action, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest crypto updates, guides, and tips. All right, let's get started on our journey to becoming crypto pros. Choose your cryptocurrency. Start by deciding which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Bitcoin is a popular choice for beginners, but there are various other options like Ethereum, Litecoin, or others. Select a reputable exchange. Use the exchanges you've signed up for, such as Coinbase, Kraken, or Crypto.com. Ensure the exchange supports the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Deposit funds. Link your bank account, PayPal, or similar to deposit funds into your exchange account. Follow the specific instructions provided by the exchange. Navigate to the trading section. Once your account is funded, go to the trading section of the exchange and find the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade, e.g., BTC USD. Place your order. Decide whether you want to place a market order, buying at the current market price, or a limit order, setting a specific price at which you want to buy. Follow the prompts on the exchange to complete the purchase. Transfer crypto to hardware wallet. After purchasing the crypto, it's crucial to move it to your hardware wallet for added security. Connect your hardware wallet to your computer, open the wallet app, and follow the instructions to receive the crypto from the exchange. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased and secured your first cryptocurrency. Remember to keep track of your investments, store essential information securely, and consider consulting a professional for estate planning if needed. Continue to stay informed about the cryptocurrency space and explore additional guides to enhance your understanding and skills.